The Capital Markets Authority launched a corporate governance code in April this year with the aim of attracting and growing investments. Today, the Capital Markets Authority and the International Finance Corporation signed a one-year deal for fast-tracking implementation of the code.
The authority, together with the IFC and other stakeholders, has developed the Stewardship Code for institutional investors. The Stewardship Code will complete the set of key regulatory frameworks that form the foundation for effective corporate governance in Kenya's capital markets.
The code advocates that companies adopt standards that go beyond the minimum prescribed by law and sets out specific recommendations on the structures and processes companies should adopt in order to make good corporate governance an integral part of their business.
As investor interest in the continent grows, so does the fierce competition for capital. Emerging market investors care deeply about corporate governance, and that this is perceived as a challenge in Africa and also in Kenya.
Investors will only invest. Banks will only lend money. Insurers will only provide cover. Employees will only work, and so on, where they are satisfied that a company's governance structures and practices are sound.
Under the partnership, CMA and IFC will develop a toolkit to enable capital market players apply and monitor the new corporate governance standards during issuance of securities, as well as a tracking framework for auditors to ensure transparency and accountability.
This can only serve to improve the overall environment for transparency and accountability that will then help Kenya move even higher in the rankings of global benchmarks such as the World Bank Ease of Doing Business Index.
Stakeholders have welcomed the move, terming it progressive and paramount in helping attract foreign direct investments.
Corporate governance contributes to capital market development and thereby facilitating foreign and domestic investment.
Capital market staff and auditors would be trained to enhance efficiency. Regina Manyara Gita reporting for Business Defined.